Hello children, today we will learn about irrational numbers. In the lower classes, already we studied about natural numbers denoted by n. The numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, so on are called as natural numbers. Whole numbers denoted by W 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on are called as whole numbers. Next we have integers denoted by Z, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, so on, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, so on. Next we have rational numbers denoted by capital Q. Numbers which are in the form of P by Q, where Q not equal to 0, P comma Q belongs to set of integers, are called as rational numbers. Now we will learn about irrational numbers. Irrational numbers. Let us take one example. We will take 1 by 4. If you divide 1 by 4, we will get 1 divided by 4. Put a point 0. 4 2s are 8. 10 minus 8 2, because already you have a decimal, put 0. 4 5s are 20. So the value of 1 by 4 is 0.25. That is, this is 0.25 is called as terminating decimal, because here 1 by 4 is 0.25. It is stopping here. So it is called as terminating decimal. Let us take one more example. 1 by 3. That is 1 by 3. 1 divided by 3. 0.0. 3 3s are 9. 10 minus 9 is 1. You already have a decimal. Put a 0. 3 3s are 9. Again 10 minus 9 is 1. You already have a decimal. Put 0. 3 3s are 9. Again 1. So we observe that we get 0.333. It does not stop here. It continues like this. So this is called as non-terminating decimal. Non-terminating and repeating decimal, because here 3 is repeated. So it is called as non-terminating repeating decimal. If you find the square root of 2, its value is 1.41423135 and so on. It continues. So this is also non-terminating, and if you observe here, it is not repeating 41423135 so on. It is non-terminating. It is not stopping. It is continuing like this, and it is also not repeating. So it is called as non-recurring. Non-terminating and non-recurring decimal. Similarly, if you find the square root of 3, we will get it as 1.7320508 so on. So this is also an example of non-terminating and non-repeating decimal. If you find the square root of 4, you will get it as 2. This is a rational number. This is a rational number. So we observe that root 2, root 3, and if you take root 5 and root 6, root 7, all these are non-terminating, non-recurring decimals. Root 4 is equal to 2. Here 4 is a perfect square. 4 is a perfect square. So other than perfect squares, that is all the square roots of non-perfect square numbers are non-terminating, non-recurring decimals. So irrational numbers are nothing but non-terminating, non-recurring decimals. Recurring decimals are called as irrational numbers. Examples of irrational numbers are root 2, root 3, root 5, root 7 and so on. Now one more thing is, now if you want to insert some irrational numbers between any two given numbers. For example, insert irrational numbers between 1.51 and 1.53. This is the question. Now here you can write the number between 1.51 and 1.52, we can write it as 1.52. But here it is stopping, so it is not an irrational number. You can write some other numbers which are not repeating. Suppose 01, 02, 1572 and so on. So this number is an irrational number which is present between 1.51 and 1.53. In this way, we can write any number of irrational numbers. 1.51, 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 9. You can write any digits. So in this way, we can insert any number of irrational numbers between the given two numbers. So what are irrational numbers? Non-terminating, non-recurring decimals are called as irrational numbers. Thank you.